Hey there, friend. Let's take a moment to pause from the rush of life and engage in a mindfulness meditation together. It's all about living in the here and now, finding peace in this very moment. So, get comfy, and let's get started. Once you've settled into your chosen spot, allow yourself to connect with the space around you. Feel the support of the surface you're sitting or lying on. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin. Whether it's cool and refreshing, or warm and comforting, let this awareness ground you in the present moment. As you close your eyes and take that initial deep breath, let it carry away any lingering stress or distractions. Imagine it as a cleansing breath, purifying your mind and body. This simple act of closing your eyes can serve as a powerful signal to your brain that it's time to shift from the external world to your inner world. Your breath is the cornerstone of this mindfulness meditation. As you continue to breathe gently, notice how it has a natural cadence, like the ebb and flow of waves on the shore. It doesn't require effort. It just is. This is the essence of mindfulness. Observing without judgment. Your breath is also a reflection of the present moment. Each inhalation and exhalation occurs only in the now. This is your lifeline to the present. And you can return to it whenever you need to escape the clutches of a racing mind. During this meditation, if your breath becomes shallow or uneven, that's okay. It's simply a reminder to return your focus to your breath, allowing it to find its natural, soothing rhythm once more. This practice of returning to the breath is a gentle exercise in cultivating mindfulness. Every breath you take is a reminder that you are alive and present in this moment. It's a gift you can unwrap anytime. Whether you're feeling anxious, stressed, or simply in need of a mental reset. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to forget this simple truth. But here, in the realm of mindfulness, you're rediscovering the power of your breath. So, let's continue our journey into mindfulness, embracing each moment as it unfolds. Remember, this is a practice, and with time, it will become an invaluable tool for navigating the ups and downs of life. As you sit or lie down, you might notice a stream of thoughts flowing through your mind. Thoughts about the past, the future, or even what you'll have for dinner tonight. These thoughts are like passing clouds in the sky, constantly changing. When a thought arises, whether it's a worry, a memory, or a plan, acknowledge it with gentleness. You don't need to judge or analyze it. Simply recognize its presence. Picture each thought as a leaf gently floating down a river. Now, as you watch these leaves drift by, Return your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, release any attachment to your thoughts. Your breath is your anchor, always here to bring you back to the present moment. Let's continue our journey by turning our attention inward. Start at the crown of your head and slowly move your awareness down through your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort without trying to change them. This is a moment of self-compassion, a pause to listen to what your body is telling you. Perhaps you'll notice some tightness in your shoulders from a long day at work. Or maybe there's a knot of stress in your stomach. That's okay. As you breathe, imagine sending warm waves of relaxation to those areas. Let tension dissolve like ice melting in the warmth of the sun. With each breath, feel your body responding, releasing its grip on stress. You're fostering a sense of harmony between your mind and body, allowing them to work together in this peaceful moment. Our senses are windows to the present moment. Take a moment to notice what you hear in your environment. It could be the gentle hum of a fan, the distant chirping of birds, or the rustling of leaves in the wind. Let these sounds wash over you, like a soothing symphony of nature. Now, shift your attention to your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Notice any tingling, warmth, or coolness in different parts of your body. Your body is always present, always in the here and now. As you connect with your senses, you're grounding yourself in the richness of the present moment. This moment is all there is, and it's filled with beauty and wonder, waiting for you to embrace it fully. As you sit or lie down, thoughts may continue to arise like waves on the shore. This is completely natural. In mindfulness, we observe thoughts without becoming entangled in them. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by in the vast sky of your mind. When a thought drifts in, take a moment to acknowledge it. It's a part of you, after all. Without judgment, simply let it be, and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Your breath is always there, offering a steady and calming presence. Over time, you'll discover that the more you practice this, the easier it becomes to let go of thoughts that no longer serve you. Your mind becomes a clearer and more peaceful space, like a calm pond where you can see your reflection. Let's delve into a moment of gratitude. Think about something in your life that you're thankful for right now. It could be as simple as the air you breathe, the support of loved ones, or the beauty of nature. Feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart. Let it expand and fill your entire being. Gratitude has a remarkable power to shift our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. As you embrace this feeling of gratitude, remember that you can return to it whenever you need a boost of positivity and joy. It's a little treasure you carry with you on your journey through life. In the midst of your meditation, you are firmly rooted in the present moment. Feel the gentle ebb and flow of your breath, the sensations in your body, and the sounds that surround you. This moment is where life happens, where you can fully experience the beauty of existence. Notice how each breath is a fresh beginning, an opportunity to reset and be fully present. The past is behind you, and the future hasn't arrived yet. All that truly exists is right here, right now. As you embrace the present moment, you may sense a deep peace washing over you. It's as if you found a safe harbor in the sea of life's challenges. You can return to this harbor anytime you choose, anchoring yourself in tranquility and clarity. In the remaining moments of our meditation, let's take a few intentional deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the cool, refreshing air fill your lungs. As you exhale through your mouth, release any remaining tension or worry. With each breath, you deepen your connection to the present moment. Your breath is like a bridge, allowing you to cross from a world of distractions to the serenity of now. It's always here for you, a reliable friend you can turn to whenever you need. Now, as we prepare to conclude our mindfulness meditation, slowly begin to open your eyes. Take your time in this transition, allowing the world around you to come back into focus. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you re-engage with your surroundings. You are now more present, more centered, and more attuned to the beauty of each moment. Remember that mindfulness is not limited to this meditation. It's a way of life, a path to inner peace, and a journey you can continue every day. I hope you are feeling calm and present now. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Don't forget to follow us for more mindfulness meditations and ways to cultivate peace and serenity in your life. Until next time, my friend, may you carry this sense of mindfulness with you, always.